Hey everyone, Coin Searcher here, and today I'm doing a box of pennies. Show you the rolls right there, and to prove I'm doing it, there's my rejects. So I just cracked open this roll. I got 1959 right there in the roll. To zoom in, I'll show you the 59 stack, and I just pulled off this penny right here, and out pops that, plus a wheat. We'll do the wheat first. A nice 1958. Put the wheat over there. Now, let's see what the heck this is. Dude, that's sick. Arica, 2001, República de Panama, un centésimo de Balboa. That is a very neat coin. Still has a lot of the luster on it too. Found in a penny roll. Anyways, thank you for watching, and Coin Searcher out.